common problems with the Audi B7 RS4, which is 2007 and 2008. And again, I used to own that car before, so I know exactly the most common issues with that car. So let's get to it, and let's talk about the most common problems. So the most known problem with is it's a Drc suspension leak, which is pretty much suspension starts to leak and you have to replace it. The best way to do it is to just buy and upgrade it, to just go and upgrade to coilovers, which it makes it a lot cheaper than just buying even used suspension for B7 RS4. So another issue is carbon buildup, and you have to do it every 15, maybe 20,000 miles. It will cost you around $1,000 or maybe even less. And also that includes new gaskets, and a shop should use walnut blast for carbon cleaning. Another minor issue is with the coolant reservoir that may crack and needs to be replaced, and that coolant reservoir is fairly cheap, and you can even replace it yourself, and it's not that hard. On high mileage RS4 you may see oil cooler leaking, which is due to corroded lines that needs to be replaced with replacing oil cooler. Not sure if this one is a common issue, but some people reported gearbox issues. Some people reported rust around lower trim door panels, which is called door blades, as you can see on the photo, which probably is just like it's just a poor design by Audi, where it collects all the water and over time the rust will develop. Now the car is already 14-15 years old. I think overall B7 RS4 is a great looking car and it's very solid. Probably near future I'm gonna add one to the stable. I like this car. It's aging well, and if you ever can get a hold of one and drive one and how it sounds on like Miltec catback exhaust, you should give it a try. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.